Today we want to look how to charge a token. Tokens from the channel manager or manually entered cards can be charged and refunded. For this reason, we open the reservation form by clicking on the suitcase icon in our menu and select the reservation which we intend to charge. We click on the tab Billing and click on the button Edit of the reservation. Furthermore, we select the payment type, in our case it is called token, and click on the billing button. We are being asked if we really want to bill and confirm by clicking on yes. The system automatically realizes that this reservation has a token stored and is asking now if we would like to use that token to pay the bill. And we confirm by clicking on yes. We now charge the token and bill the invoice. This process can be done manually as we just did, or by an automated batch process at night as well. But we can also refund this transaction via the token when we click on the red button with the X, which means voiding the invoice. We are being asked to refund the transaction and we confirm by clicking on yes. Now we see the transaction has been voided and the invoice has been created newly.